Welcome to the Foot Care Clinic, where we understand the importance of healthy, beautiful feet. Are you tired of hiding your damaged toenails? Are fungal infections, defects, or trauma keeping you from showing off your feet with confidence? Introducing KeryFlex Nail Restoration, a revolutionary service offered exclusively at the Foot Care Clinic. KeryFlex is a painless, in-clinic application that restores the appearance of your toenail using a medical-grade resin. Similar to how a dentist bonds a tooth, KeryFlex bonds the resin to your nail, allowing your natural nail to grow while providing immediate cosmetic improvement. The KeryFlex nail is unaffected by acetone, nail polishes, or detergents, ensuring long-lasting beauty. And in just one visit, our podiatrist can transform your damaged nail into a natural-looking masterpiece with KeryFlex Nail Restoration. Don't wait any longer to regain confidence in your feet. Schedule your KeryFlex Nail Restoration appointment at the Foot Care Clinic today, because your feet deserve the best care.